If you use tools such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and want to take work with these tools to a more advanced level, or maybe you are going to start using them now at a personal level, at a professional level, or for study topics, or also, for example, you may want to learn to use business intelligence tools such as Power BI Desktop or the Power Query and Power Pivot tools that are part of Excel. I suggest you subscribe to this channel because from now on we are going to upload small videos with tricks, tips, advice to use with all these tools to help you and try to accompany you on this path of learning these tools. My name is Pablo and I am part of the Formabyte company, which has more than 20 years of experience in training people both at a private level and at a company level, in person or online in recent times. Therefore, I think that we can help you on the path to knowledge of these tools. Therefore, with that said, if you are interested, subscribe to the channel and we will be uploading content little by little until soon.